afternoon, brothers and sisters. It is 4:46 p.m. Central Standard Time on January 31st, 2022. I hope our Creator is keeping you safe and well wherever you are in the world. This right here, we are looking at Windy.com and we are looking at Camagüey. I have done a couple of videos on Camagüey and Havana on Starforts, and as we can see, Camagüey is fired up. It is going in a counterclockwise direction, as you can see from the rotation, which means it is drawing energy in from the atmosphere down to Camagüey. And we do have a max of 72 decibels actually, and it shows that it's off the charts, 70 being the highest. We also have some activity over here in Tampico. Now if we go in a little bit, this might actually jump back up to 75, because it was 75 a minute ago when I dropped this little pin here. There we go, 75. Yep. So 75, that's decibels in volume, which means it is very loud. It's pulling a lot of energy in to the center of it. Why? I don't know. How it works, I couldn't tell you. But stuff is definitely going on, folks. Now, if you happen to be over here near Italy, we had a lot of lightning strikes hitting right along the coast here near Croatia and Bosnia. Right along this area here. Look at all this lightning. Woo. So if you happen to be somewhere in this area, or you know people that are, have them take cover. That's a lot of lightning strikes, folks. Watch all this lightning come up again. I mean, it's just crazy. It just riddles the whole area. I mean, that's like rapid fire. Now, there are some storms coming through with this system, but that's also a lot of lightning. So please stay safe out there, folks. I've been having some activity going up here in Thailand. And look over here in the Philippines. My goodness, that is some serious Starfort energy activity going on right over here in the Philippines. We got something going on over here too. Not a ton, but there is some. Not sure exactly what this bugger is, but how many people want to bet? For those of you my regular subs and have seen my coverage on Starforts, how many of y'all want to bet that right here there's going to be a Starfort? Looking at Date, Philippines. Latest is 54 decibels. The max was 55 decibels right here in this area. Let's do a quick little sneaky peek. Actually, on further inspection, zooming in here, it's just northeast of Bagabas. So let's go over here to maps, and down here, here's our little peak here where it kind of comes out into the ocean. And when you come out here, look at this. What is this under the water? Could this be some kind of like a pyramid maybe? Like a three-pointed pyramid? I don't know, but this actually looks like a mouth and a nose and two eyes and a head. You guys see that? What do they call it? Pareidolia? I don't know, I just kind of happened to see that. Something's going on under the water there. Very interesting. I don't know. It's hard to say what's under the water. I mean, if we think about how the Earth flips around on its axis, who knows what's buried under the water? Yeesh. Our air quality today was quite crap. We're looking at nitrous dioxide, and here in Los Angeles, they're reporting 8309, and I'm showing 105.54. That is off the charts for nitrous dioxide. That is not good. New York showing 7418. Northeast of Ottawa. Let's go check out Ottawa. We know about a bunch of stuff going on in Ottawa, don't we, folks? Let's see here. What do we got? 7374. Those are not good numbers. And here we are looking at South America. Buenos Aires, or excuse me, Rio de Janeiro. You are looking at 101.7. Once again, that is off our charts for nitrous dioxide. Around in South Africa, in the Pretoria area, they're showing 1848, but I'm showing 4791 meters cubed. So once again, to keep an eye on the chart over here, folks. Kinshasa is looking at 4162. These are our numbers for Europe. Looks like the highest one in here that I've found so far is over here in Krakow. They're registering 4245, but I'm showing 7653. So if you happen to live in the Krakow area, please take heed. I mean, this is not good. Right over here near Croatia, right here in this little spot right over here, you got Austria here. We're looking at 4442. Around Tehran, we're looking at 8506. If you're on the eastern border of Saudi Arabia, we are looking at 101.47 meters cubed. New Delhi is over here registering 124.03. My gosh, I'll bet it's higher than that. Let's take a little peek. Bring this down. 134. Whoa. Folks, these are just 137. That's just off the charts, folks. Please be careful if you happen to be in northern India. These are, when you see this red like that, that is just not good. If you happen to be living in China, yeah, you guys are definitely getting hammered. Shanghai is actually at 89.39 when they're only registering 72.37. So please be careful, folks. I mean, look at Wuhan is registering 65.67. Please stay safe out there, folks, wherever you are. Let's go take a look at our PM 2.5. In Australia, you guys are doing okay on nitrous dioxide. Nothing to have any major alarms about. Now we are looking at PM 2.5 here in the United States. Let's take a peek here. Holy cow, 177 meters cubed. Whoa, what area of Florida is this? This is up here in the Panhandle. Let's kind of zoom in here. Near Panama City. You guys are getting tattooed with PM 2.5. These are not good numbers. Anything over 10 meters cubed will actually increase your risk of lung cancer by 33% in about 10 minutes. In South America, Colombia specifically, if you live northeast of Solano, you guys are getting 100 meters cubed of PM 2.5. These are horrendous numbers. In Africa, if you happen to live in Nigeria near Benin City, 244 meters cubed. My gosh, this is just not good, folks. These are not good numbers at all. And here we're looking at Europe. Europe seems to be doing pretty good. You got a little bit over here, maybe in the 20s here in northeastern Italy. But down here in this country here in Africa, what country is that? Algeria, near Batra, you're looking at 263 meters cubed. Please take note of this. They're registering only 57, but I'm showing 263 meters cubed. These are just going crazy. Over here we got the Middle East. Numbers are 70s, 25, 42. Then you come over here to New Delhi, probably the most honest one I've seen. I'm showing 252. I did see 255. It was kind of hard to find it, but they're reporting 254. Folks, once again, if you happen to be living in northern India, please get inside, try and get some fresh air. Do not be outside breathing this crap. It is literally killing these people, folks. Over here in China, we've got numbers as high as 76, 98 in Shanghai, and Zhuhai is registering 111. Now over here to our ozone, if you happen to live in northern Canada, you are definitely getting hammered with some high ozone levels. I would call that I'd call that an ozone action day, or just an air quality alert. This is definitely ozone for here in northern Canada. 471 units off the charts. The tops out at yellow at 400, and we're seeing red. That is not good. What we're seeing over here in the European area, Belarus, Poland, Slovakia, Czech, Hungary, Romania, Ukraine, you guys are definitely in the 400s all day long. Let's just tap on that. 428. Absolutely. Take precautions. I'm going to live in eastern Russia and up here near Japan, up in this area. These are just, look at how red this is. This is just disgusting. Just look at this. 522 units. Completely off the charts. Folks, definitely ozone action if you're in this area. Just, to me, this would be an air quality alert day. This is not good. Here we are at the European Space Agency looking at Euphoria, and they have not yet updated today from that coronal mass ejection following that M flare. Actually, the M flare pushed off the coronal mass ejection. It has not updated yet over on Euphoria. And once again, here we are, February 2nd, 0202 of 2022, right at 1 a.m. Looks like is when we're going to be getting that plasma smack from that coronal mass ejection following that M-class flare. At least that's what they're showing. So this is UTC time. So minus 6 hours off of this, and that would be Central Standard Time. Okay, everything that I show you goes off of UTC time. And this right here, we're looking at our sunspots over here at spaceweatherlive.com. This is spot 2936, which is what gave us that M flare with that CME that's heading our way. That's going to smack us on the 1st UTC time. So Central Standard Time, it would actually, on the 2nd at 1 a.m. But here it will actually technically be the 1st. So it will be at night for the United States. And these are the two big bad boys coming around the bend that's got all that activity. Let's go take a look at what it looks like. And here we are looking at 171 angstroms. Let's take a little sneaky peek here. Now, we're going to see two different eclipses. Once again, we're going to see that mothership. It's going to come around here about 7 a.m. on the 30th, which is what we're looking at. It'll come in from the upper right. See that? Come down and go out the left side. Then we're going to see it again. But what we're really keep on the 31st, but this is what we're actually keeping an eye on, is this area here coming around facing us. And this one. Look at all this activity. This is coming around, and it can now affect us. This starts giving off eruptions. Any kind of flare or coronal mass ejection, we can absolutely be affected by these two here. Oop, there it is again. Zoop, going off again. So that's the mothership coming around at 7 a.m. as scheduled and blotting out the sun. Ooh, look at this. See that flaring? See that popping? Plasma's being thrown out. Now let's not forget, there is a coronal hole here too. Let's go take a look at that. And here we are looking at 211 angstroms. And we're going to see a couple of, there's the first eclipse. This is the coronal hole I was talking about. These are the, we're getting solar winds impacted. Whoosh, see that? That right there was our M flare with coronal mass ejection. There was our second eclipse by that mothership. So this is all coronal hole. This one's a very deep one. So this will be reaching around to us and affecting us very shortly. Plus the impact of that coronal mass ejection. Yeah, we're in for a bumpy ride, folks. So buckle up and stay safe. Remember, no fear, eyes open. Love is the only way forward.